In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy stocks on Trading 212. So first you need to go to your invest account. And once you're on the invest account, you just want to head over to the market. Now, once you're on the market, you want to find the stock that you want to buy. So in this case, I'll just choose something random. So just the first one, Nvidia. And then you simply want to press buy. Now keep in mind, you need to add funds before you can do this. And you also need to verify your account. But this will usually be done when you create your account. Then you can choose value, which is in how much you want to use of your money. So if you're in America, this will be dollar. Since I'm in Denmark, it will be Danish krone. But you just type in how much you want to invest, or you can do shares, which is how many shares you want to buy. So that's basically how that works. Then simply press buy. And once you've done that, you have now done it. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.